Hi, my name is Amardeep Singh. I'm an online trainer. I provide training on many domains, including IELTS. You can go for writing course or you can go for other four modules. I can customize your course as per your requirement. I will brief you about my courses. The first one is about writing. Advanced IELTS writing course, where I train students on how to write 7 bands essay, how to write graph or letters. Once training sessions are over, then I provide them feedback in the live class. So you would be getting around 30 feedback sessions from me. So you have to write essay, share with me, and I will provide you feedback in the live class. And you can take 5 demo classes in the start, and then you decide whether to enroll or not. So that is about my writing course. Now about the speaking course, there are 3 sections in speaking. The first section is about personal questionnaire section, where they can ask you about anything. You name any topic, they can ask you question on it. They can ask you on internet, weather, your city, hometown, country, singing, dancing, hobby, photography, anything. So you are going to practice on 50 topics with me, and after that you are going to again practice on 50 speaking topics. The second part in IELTS speaking is cue card activity. Well, nowadays we call it as speaking activity, where we have to speak for 2 minutes. So first they give you 1 minute to think on the topic, and then you have to speak on it for 2 minutes. So you are going to do same thing with me. First, I am going to give you some tips. Some teaching sessions would be there, or some practice sessions. I will show you like how to generate ideas, and then how to speak on a topic for 2 minutes, and then you are going to practice with me in the same way. How many topics? Again, 50 topics. The part 3 in the speaking test is a follow-up questionnaire section, where they are going to ask you questions on the same speaking topic, around 5 to 6 questions. You are going to practice on 50 topics in the part 3 also. So overall you are going to practice on around 700 to 800 questions, part 1 and part 3, and 50 speaking topics. This course is also 1 month course. You can take 5 demo classes, and then you decide whether to enroll or not. Now coming on to other 2 modules, listening and reading. So let's say if you say I'm not good in reading, so you want to go for training on reading module. First, I'm going to take your test, around 2 or 3 tests. After that, I'm going to let you know whether you need practice on, let's say, true false, or fill in the gaps, or match headings, assign title to a paragraph. There are around 10 question types. So I'm going to update you your level, as well as your problem areas. So first I'm going to give you some teaching sessions. Like if I'm going for exam, what would be my approach? So first you are going to see that I'm going to take few tests in front of you. So I'm going to teach in that way. It's not like that I'll give you some PowerPoint presentation, okay, this and that in for this particular question or for this particular passage. No, it's not like that. First I'm going to take few tests in front of you, so you will see my approach. Okay, how I answer, whether I go for, let's say, part passage, first passage or third passage. And once your practice is over, then I'm going to give you test. So today you are going to take test, and tomorrow I'm going to have discussion on that. In the same way, I conduct classes on your listening also. Okay, so in listening course also I will take your test, and then after that I will brief you about your problem areas. Let's say if you are not good in section 3. In section 3 is well, I won't say most difficult. If anyone has problem in listening module, it would be either section 3 or 4. So let's say if you are not good in section 3, then I'm going to work with you on that particular section only. Once your teaching sessions are over, you are going to give test. Let's say if you are taking test today, then tomorrow we are going to have feedback. So that is how I provide training on other 4 modules. Now you can go for, let's say, just one module, let's say writing, or you can go for all. And let's say if you say I know everything, okay, somehow you are not scoring, let's say, 7 bands in the writing part, you know everything about pattern, about structure, everything, then what? I provide feedback and evaluation service also. There are two options. You write essay, share that essay with us, and we will provide you feedback. That is the first option. And second option is you write essay, share that essay with us, and we would provide you feedback in the live class. So that's all about my courses. Now, if you are interested, want to go for demo classes, just message me on my profile. We will schedule a demo class, and then after that you can decide whether to enroll in course or not. So that's all guys. Thank you very much.